Look at here, your share capital under which category? Nila? Share capital under which category? Nila, what's your answer? Trade payables under which category? Current asset Oh, very good you got a lot of payable Nila, answer me all the way. What asset? Expenses. Wrong. Minus retained earning. Get it? Bear in mind your dividend always minus retained earning. Okay. Now look at here. Closing inventory. This is question 3 Hello class, are you with me? Yes. Okay. Closing inventory 787. This one no adjustment. You just need to put into your income statement and financial positions. Are you okay? Right. Next. Land which is not depreciable is included at cost 15,1515. So here they tell you that the land is 15152. Right? 15152. So what is the cost? What is the value of your building? Hello? 20,000 is the value of your building. Okay? Now, dear mentions depreciations building 2%, straight line basis, plant and machineries 20% reducing basis. So here buildings 2%. Here times 2%, how much every year? 400. So 400 is it? Your depreciations? Do you know how to get it? Here you have 400. What is this? For building, yeah? Okay. This is for 2%. How about plant and machineries? One, two, 500 minus 7,400 times how many percent? 20%. Equals to? Are you okay, guys? Yeah. So, okay. Now, this is the first adjustment. Second, here they say they have another series, TV series, advertising. Your year end is when? Year end is October, right? So this one, you start on 1st of October. You pay 45,000, but this 45,000 is for 3 months. Have you paid? Questions say it's to be paid at the end of December. So means that you have accrued expenses. You didn't pay, but you already used this advertising. How much you have used up? 45,000 divided by 3 months, right? So you have used up 15,000. So this is advertising. Means that under advertising here, you have to plus 15,000. And this 15,000 is your accrual advertising. Are you guys okay? Okay, then next. Interest on bank loan for the last 6 months of the year has not been included in the accounts in your trial balance. Last 6 months means you already paid 6 months and you have another 6 months you haven't paid. Okay, so here interest paid, you have already paid 6 months. How much is your interest you're supposed to pay is 8% here. This one, times 15,000. 1 year you should pay how much? 1,200. So you pay half, you should plus another half. Right? This 600 will be your accrual interest. Are you guys okay? Anyone's blur blur? Here. Now next, corporate tax charge for this year is 970. Do you have any tax before this? No. So means that you will have purely new 2 things. One is tax expenses and tax payable. If you write accrued tax also okay. Okay? 970. Bear in mind, there's 1,000 above. Okay, get it? Yes. During the year, they make 144 bonus issue has not been reflected in the account. Means that you have not recorded anything. So, what should I do? Record. How many shares I should give? Divide by 4. 20,000 divided by 4 equals to 5,000. So here, plus 5,000. Money come from where? Retained earning. So under retained earning, minus 5,000. Are you guys okay? Bonus issue, use the money in your retained earning. Okay? Then, yes? Hey, nothing, don't show your hand like this. Until so high, you know, I have to ask what's going on. 就是你啦. Okay. Now, provision for doubtful debts, 5% should be set up. Okay. This is your trade debtors. Do you have any provision for doubtful debt before this? Any allowance or debtors? Okay, so everything new. This one times 5%. You have doubtful debts and your provisions for doubtful debt. Okay, guys. 5436 times 0.05, 5%. So this is 271.8, right? Now just round up to 272. Are you guys okay? Bear in mind, provisions for doubtful debt is a contra asset, so minus your debtors in your financial positions later. Okay, so this is your expenses. Now, can I go on? The last one, premium, is covered until 30th of June. Your year end is this year October, cover until next year June. Total premium is 45,000, but you recorded to supplier's account. Okay, so there's 2 things you need to adjust. First thing, minus this 45 from your supplier payments first. So you already recorded as a supplier payment, means in your supplier's account you already minus. So now add back to your suppliers. Okay? Suppliers. So here add back 45. Okay? Then by right, this is your insurance, right? Any insurance? Okay, so by right you should write insurance 45,000 here. Are you okay? Yes. But then the problem is dimensions. This insurance is covered until next year, June, right? How many months? How many months for this year? How many months for next year? 4 months for this year, right? So divide by 12 times 4. Here will be 45 divided by 12 times 8. Are you guys okay? So this one should be 15 for this year. And here 30. Are you okay? Okay, So this is expenses, this is current asset. Okay or not? So this is your questions 3. Done? Anything? Done, right?